Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Wednesday, December 21st. Winter solstice today. Maybe the word winter doesn't sound good to some people, but daylight's are going to expand going forward, so maybe that'll make other people a little bit happy. The overnight trade, we were kind of a little bit back on the defensive with the grains, with the oilseeds a little bit better. We've been having this trade set up as far as specs go on the commitment of trades report, with the specs basically net long the oilseeds and short the grains. So we're continuing to monitor that. I guess our surmise with yesterday's break in the bean market and or in the meal and oil, that perhaps as we wind down the calendar year here, and we're going to have first notice day for the January futures next week and option expiration on Friday, and with the South American weather being conducive, that maybe we can still see a little bit more liquidation of these long positions in the oil seeds while the grains still kind of flounder somewhat in a sideways pattern, mainly on the heels of the fact that trade is already net short the grains. But that doesn't make the grains good, but maybe we're just going to see if we can have a little bit of a play between the grains and the oil seeds as we wind down the calendar year. Ethanol stats will be out later on this morning. Export sales tomorrow. Obviously, our export demand out of the U.S. has been quite sound, but that hasn't had any traction as far as having a sustained up rally in either the grains and or the oil seeds at this point in time. Like I say, we'll also be having a short day on Friday and a short week next week, so be wary of that. So the two things that I think that we're looking at, outside markets aside, we're looking at the South American weather, which is conducive, and maybe perhaps more importantly, the evening up positions as we wind down the calendar year, dictating price more than anything else. All in all, I'd have to say that considering the weather, positions, supply and demand tables, I still think that overall we're in a non-bullish environment for both the grains and the oil seeds. Have a good day. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.